Hello and welcome. We'll be reviewing a spring-powered Glock 26 pistol with an extra length extension for a barrel and a longer magazine by CYMA, a bright orange pistol. So let's look, shall we? It's a spring-powered pistol, no safety. This is the magazine release. So I just push this button and out it comes. It may be longer, but it doesn't hold more rounds. It still holds 9. So I'll just show you now. So to insert the pellets, you do so at the top here and just push them in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and once you've got them loaded in, just place it into the gun and cock the slide at the top and you're ready to go. I do admit, because the magazine is longer, it does feel easier to hold. And it does make the gun look a bit bigger with the extra parts. To remove the extended barrel is quite simple. There's a button here where my finger is. You push the button and it should easily just slide off. And to insert it back on the gun again, there are 2 alignments, rails. You align them and just push. Okay, I'm using the CYMA Glock 26, the orange version. Misfired. So 110. 104, 0.12 next, 149, 150, last shot, 152. So 0.12 pellets polished will be best for this gun. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed it. This gun should be about under £10. So if you're looking something at a fair size such as this with extra parts here, and you're looking for something that's quite fun to use, I would recommend this. I think 9 rounds is quite realistic of a gun this size. So once again, thank you for watching my video and I hope it's helped.